Hello students, hello friends. In this video I will teach you that how you can insert and edit shapes in Microsoft Excel. So right now we are in the home tab. You will have to click on insert tab, then insert tab, like we can see shapes here. So insert ready-made shapes such as circles, squares and arrows. You can add these shapes. So if you click here, now you can see there are rectangles, there are lines, basic shapes and block arrows, education shapes. So if you want to use these shapes in your worksheets, you can use any of them. So for instance, I want to use one of the basic shape, like this one, heart. So you can see we can make here. So when you make, like you can see, if it is not like proportionally, like you when you are designing the shape, it's not proportionally. So what you can do, you can press and hold shift on your keyboard, then it will create proportionally from all sides. So now you can see we have a heart shape, and the tab will automatically like change to the format tab. Now this shape we can add it. For instance, like I want to completely change the shape, like so we can change the shape from heart to any shape. For instance, I want to apply like this one, like or if I want to change with like this one, so you can, so control Z we can use for undo. So from edit shape and change shape, we can change the shape. We can also change the edit points, like if you click here edit points, so you can see there is one this point and this point. So we can also change, like you can see this, even from here we can change, even we can move here, we can move here, and also from one side we can also move, you can see like this. So anywhere we can move or edit the shape according to our requirements. So what I will do, I will again create this shape. So here you can see like recently used shapes. Now the next thing, after editing from here, you can see like direct, you can fill with few colors like this. So from here you can also see like down some transparent also colors. So we can also apply from there. And for example, you want to fill this with red color. So here you can see three things: shape fill, shape outline, and shape effects. So if you click on shape fill, then you can fill this shape with any color. Like as I said, you want to fill with red color, so you can fill with red color. And you can see even you can also fill with the gradient if you want. And then you can apply shape outline if you want. So shape outline, for example, you want to apply like green, so you can see there is a green outline. So if you want to change the size of that outline, so you can click on the weight, and you can see like you can apply, you can change the weight like this. There are more lines, so if you click, you can apply from here more lines. And then shape outline, shape effects we have. So you can apply different effects like this one, you can see, or these are shadows, glows effects you can apply. So one of the effects, like if you want to apply, you can also apply. So you can also control fill and line also from here, and shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, these things also you can control from here. Okay, and if you double click here, so heart shape, so we can also apply the text inside, you can see. And if you select the text, you can see, and if we go to the like home tab, and if you can see like in the center alignment you can change, and even if you want, you can also change the size, font size, and even if you want, like you want to change the font also, so you can change. So now you can see, like, I will change the size to 24 and see. So this is the easy method you can use, like, to create shapes too. And you can in Microsoft Excel, and you can also edit the shapes on professional level, like in Microsoft Excel. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. So thank you very much once again.